Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at a clinical-grade blood pressure monitor that claims to offer hospital-level accuracy, smartphone tracking, and a battery life that probably outlasts most modern relationships. It sounds like the ultimate health tool, doesn't it? But before you start clearing space on your nightstand, let's see if this thing is actually a medical marvel or just a very expensive arm squeezer. First off, let's talk about their fame. The website proudly displays logos from Women's Health, Cosmopolitan, and NBC News. It's very impressive until you realize there isn't a single clickable link or shred of evidence that these outlets have ever heard of this product. It's a classic case of name-dropping to look credible, which is a bold strategy when Google exists. Honestly, if they're going to make things up, they should have at least claimed an endorsement from NASA or the Pope. Then there's the hospital-grade precision claim. You'd think a device boasting clinical accuracy would have a few scientific studies or certifications to back it up, right? Wrong. There is zero research and no real evidence provided, just a collection of fancy buzzwords and bold promises. It feels less like a medical device and more like a high-pressure sales pitch. Apparently, in their world, trust me, bro is a valid substitute for a clinical trial. The sales tactics are where things get really spicy. You've seen the drill. Save 40%, only a few left, and order now or regret it forever. They even offer a free trial that sneakily auto-renews for nearly $50. It's the kind of bait and switch that makes you want to check your credit card statement twice a day. They even call themselves the #1 bestseller of 2024, which is a fascinating title for a company that seems to exist mainly in its own imagination. If you ever have a problem, good luck getting help. Their customer support consists of an email address and a physical location that, upon closer inspection, is actually a residential house. Nothing says professional medical corporation like operating out of someone's spare bedroom. It's a sketchy setup that makes the whole operation feel more like a garage project than a healthcare leader. Finally, let's look at those 10,000 perfect reviews. They are so polished and glowing you might need sunglasses to read them. However, when you check independent sites like Trustpilot or Reddit, there's absolutely nothing. It's a total ghost town. To summarize, Novella Health is flying more red flags than a referee at a disastrous football game. Between the fake endorsements and the questionable address, I'd suggest keeping your wallet closed. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this reality check, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Catch you next time.